Experiencing the frustrating 0xc00005 error preventing you from diving into League of Legends? Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got you covered with some simple yet effective fixes to bid farewell to the error in League of Legends. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Run League of Legends in Administrator mode. Right-click on the League of Legends desktop icon. Select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to grant necessary permissions. Check if League of Legends launches without any issues. Solution 2. Uninstall and reinstall League of Legends. Open the system tray and right-click on the right client, selecting Exit. Navigate to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Find League of Legends, click the three dots and choose Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation and wait for it to complete. Click Done and reboot your computer. Open Right Client, select League of Legends, and click Install. Choose your language and installation location, then click Install. Grant Right Client the necessary permissions. League of Legends will start downloading, and once installed, you should be able to launch the game without encountering the error. Experiencing the frustrating 0xc0000005 error preventing you from diving into League of Legends?